In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NotebookLM to help you write a book. Whether you're just starting out on your writing journey or looking for ways to streamline your process, utilizing NotebookLM can be a game changer. So, let's dive in and break it down step by step. First, we'll need to head over to your favorite web browser and go to the Google homepage. Once you're there, simply type NotebookLM into the search bar. You should see results pop up. Go ahead and click on the official NotebookLM website. This tool leverages the power of structured note-taking to help enhance your creativity and writing flow. After landing on the NotebookLM website, look for the option that says Try NotebookLM and click on it. This will guide you to the main interface where you'll be working on your book. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. We'll walk through it together. Once you're in, locate and click on the Create New button. This will allow you to start a fresh project tailored to your book writing needs. Next, you'll want to compile all the preliminary ideas for your book. Click on Upload Source to bring in any research or notes you have. It's here that you can add a short book vision note or upload a one-page Google Doc. Your document should include your working title, the target reader, the main promise of the book, and a rough word count goal. This initial step is crucial as it lays down your book's foundation and helps keep you focused. Continuing, you'll need to add a project overview. Think of this as a succinct summary of your book vision. Aim for about 3-5 bullet points. This overview serves as your North Star, keeping your writing aligned with your original purpose and goals. After you've crafted your vision and overview, it's time to harness the organizational powers of NotebookLM. You can load and organize all your research materials. An example approach would be asking NotebookLM to compile a list and provide brief summaries of all sources uploaded. Each summary should mention the main topic and how it can assist in your writing project. Once your research is nicely organized, the next step is to design your book's structure. You might prompt the tool to generate a first draft outline. Aim to include 10 to 15 chapters to give your book a strong backbone. After setting the general structure, it's time to go even deeper. Focus on each chapter and deepen the plans by adding sections, ideally 3 to 6 per chapter. This will bring more clarity and detail, giving you a comprehensive framework to work from as you develop your book. And there you have it. By following these steps using NotebookLM, you're not just organizing your thoughts, but creating a robust structure that'll support your book from drafts to final product. Get started, and happy writing!